This is Billy. He was diagnosed with leukemia 5 months ago by his doctor after experiencing sudden weight loss. His symptoms of fatigue, shortness of breath, and bone pain worsened over time. For all these reasons, Billy decided to visit a genetic counselor in hopes of finding a treatment for his disease. Now, before we move forward, let's understand leukemia. Leukemia, a cancer pertaining to the blood-forming tissues of the body, such as the lymphatic and bone marrow system, is said to be caused when the genetic material of certain blood cells undergoes harmful changes. The DNA in a cell is responsible for telling it what to do as it contains the required instructions, and when DNA is not defective, it informs the cell to grow at a specific and healthy rate and to die at the right time. However, in leukemia, these mutations rather instruct the blood cells to continue their growth and division, resulting in the excessive and uncontrolled production of blood cells. In due course, healthy blood cells are replaced with abnormal ones, and due to their longevity, these cancerous cells grow to outnumber the healthy cells within the blood. As this disease is the result of mutated genes, the council recommended the trial of a biotechnology technique called gene therapy as a potential treatment for his leukemia. But before we get into what is known as gene therapy, let's understand the term that is genes. Genes are responsible for making us the way we are. They define the way each human turns out because they contain the hereditary information that determines the prominent characteristics of each and every one of us. A gene is a segment of DNA that contains the genetic information for the specific traits one inherits. It carries the instructions that allow cells to produce a determined product, such as a protein, that is responsible for specific actions within the body. It controls physical characteristics and many of the functions in the body, from one's growth, such as height, to regulating systems provided in the body. When a gene is found to be defective, it can produce proteins that no longer have the capability to do their given job. If a gene is hyperactive or missing, this can result in the impairment of essential bodily functions. Genes that have encountered changes or mutations, or genes that are missing or defective in a particular location, can cause a disease like cancer, including leukemia, Billy's disease. This is where gene therapy would come into play. Now, what is gene therapy and what is its purpose?